and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. I'm sure everyone is sitting after a great presentation of Mr. Sandeep Goyal and Mr. Jagdashab. So we are very proud to be part of this seminar and a get-together organized by Apsa Nepal, presented by NAFFCO. So I'm really thankful to Sunil Shrestra for inviting us for such innovations and presentations where industrial expertise around the world and in all the country, we can exchange our in and out, whatever things are coming in the world, we can discuss together. So they have made a very good presentation in front of Sandeep Goyal sir and Jagada sir. I'm nothing to talk on that. But as a company, what we represent as a NAFFCO, we are an equipment provider. So we have to think about the new generations. There are a lot of traditional firefighting systems are around the world. So we have to think about what is the next generation, what we can contribute, or going forward many years, what is the firefighting system active on that. So before going that, I'm talking about the sustainability. So sustainability is a development in a concept that promotes meeting the needs of the current without compromising the ability of the future generation. So we have to develop something for today for which can be used for the future generation also. So there are a lot of environmental challenges are there. There are key implementations which is coming on renewable energy, circular economy, eco-friendly technologies. So there are renewable energy. Now all world is thinking of solar, wind, hydro, reduce carbon footprints. And circular economy means reuse, recycle, reduce waste, which is happening even developed countries, which is happening from the house itself. Even every country is handling this, reducing the wastage, which is part of the United Nations Sustainable Goal, which is happening on 2030. Every country is pledged to meet the minimum demand of sustainability because which is very important for the sustainable nation to survive for the next generation. So then eco-friendly technologies, which energy sufficient technologies and green technologies. So doing that, our company, which is also part of developing a lot of, as you know, every vertical, every industry is part of developing sustainable products on that. So maybe I will say that firefighting technologies maybe contribute 1 to 2% of the nation's sustainability. There are every vertical is part of even any industries you take it. So when the firefighting industry will take on that, which is our industries on that. So we have first we need a structure on that. Company is manufacturing, it's covering all kind of ISO standards, which covering all the sustainability on that. So doing that, what we have done that we reduce the water consumption, power consumption, paper consumptions, plastic bottle wastages, waste material, wooden pallets, so many innovative things we have started from in-house in our factory itself, which you can do it by yourself also. Then our company, got green technology, green company, which got a certification. That is the first stage abroad. And our product, we got a guarantee product certificate we got from Marg. So this is the first step we did on that. Then we started developing many products which is eco-friendly products, which I can say inert gas system, IG gas system, which is IG55, IG541, a lot of products are there. Then water mist systems, oxy reduction system, then fluorine-free foam chemicals. We created tough cut partitions with the rock wools. Then electrical firefighting vehicles, eco-friendly fire extinguishers. These are the currently we product and which our R&D is developing a lot of new product, which is next 4 or 5 years by 2030, United Nations Sustainable Goal. By the time every industrialist is planning to develop such product on that. So electrical fire truck, that is one of the things I will be proud to say that Nepal is one of the country which is carbon emissions. Lot of electrical vehicles are being practiced first in the region in Nepal is that. So we are also started the firefighting vehicles, using electrical vehicles. Inert gas system, which is from the natural gas, from argon, nitrogen, carbon dioxide from the nature to protect. Then water mist systems, which is reducing the, protecting the system with reducing the water content. Then oxy reduction system means In a normal atmosphere, our human to sustain is 21 percentage is required. So that we reduce to 16%. So reducing the 16%, even you can burn the building here, it will not burn on that. So reducing the technology-wise, reducing the oxygen content to 16%, you can without even any systems, you can control the fire on that. So these are more sustainable systems we develop on that. Then foam chemicals which are based from the plant-based. We have created chemicals. Normally using chemicals now, it's a plant-based product to protect the fire on that. Same chemicals for the fire extinguishers, we use sustainable product on that. Then we have made fire partitions, facades, lot more things with the rock wools, partition panels, so which is also a natural products, sustainable products on that. Modular building, modern office building, internal partition, logistic, everywhere you can use it, tough card partitions on that. So what I want to say here, we do not inherit the earth from the ancestors. We borrow it for our children. So we have to develop a nation which a future our children can sustain in the nation. So it is very difficult when we become old, it's very difficult to listen from our juniors or from the youngsters. So we have to create a nature for living for them peacefully in the country on that. So we need a committed sustainability, innovative approach, core values, continued innovations, global collaborations, carbon reductions, and balanced approach. If you go together all these six, I'm sure we will have a very, very balanced planet where we all can live and our future generation also lived very peacefully. And this has to come from every individual, not only from the companies, even your home, if your waste, your waste management from your home itself. So like that, everybody has to put their effort. So we will have a very, very peaceful and very sustainable world for ours and our futures and our generations. So I'm stopping my very simple presentations. I want to pass a simple message of sustainability, how we can make impact in our new generation. Thank you so much.